If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop fills adjacent pixels in a selection or layer that are similar in color to the pixels you click to sample in the layer with either the selected foreground color or with a pattern. To use the Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop, click the Paint Bucket tool in the Tools panel. The Paint Bucket tool shares the same button in the Tools panel with the Gradient tool and deprecated 3D Material Drop tool, and the button shows the icon for the last tool selected. So if needed, make sure you select the Paint Bucket tool by clicking and holding down on this button, and then selecting the Paint Bucket tool choice from the side menu that appears. To apply a fill by using the Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop, select the layer within which to apply the fill within the Layers panel in Photoshop. If needed, to restrict the area within which the Paint Bucket tool looks to apply the fill, then make a selection within the layer. To show a drop-down menu of saved tool presets for the Paint Bucket tool from which you can choose, click the Click to open the Tool Preset Picker button at the left end of the Options bar control panel. The Paint Bucket tool comes with one Fill with Bubbles Pattern tool preset if needed. To set the type of fill to apply when using the Paint Bucket tool, choose either Foreground or Pattern from the drop-down in the Options bar control panel. The foreground choice is the default. If you select the foreground choice, then ensure you have the desired foreground color set in the Tools panel. Alternatively, to select the pattern to use, if you select the Pattern choice, then click the Click to Open Pattern Picker drop-down arrow button to the right in the Options bar control panel to show the Pattern Picker panel. The Pattern Picker panel shows the patterns in pattern groups, which appear as folder icons. To show or hide the patterns in a pattern group, click the arrow to the left of its name to expand or collapse its patterns. Custom patterns you create and do not save into a pattern group appear individually at the bottom of the list of preset patterns. To select the pattern to apply and close the Pattern Picker panel, double-click the desired pattern in the Pattern Picker panel. To select the blending mode of the fill for either fill type, select a choice from the Mode drop-down in the Options bar control panel. To set the opacity of the fill, click the Opacity drop-down and then use the slider that appears to set the opacity percentage or type of percentage into the opacity field. To set the tolerance of the Paint Bucket tool, which determines the similarity tolerance threshold of the adjacent pixels to fill in relation to the sample color you click, enter a value from 0 to 255 into the tolerance field. A lower number only fills colors in the layer very similar to the pixels you sample. A higher number selects a broader range of similarly colored pixels in the layer. To ensure the fill contains smoother curves versus jagged ones, check the Anti-Alias checkbox. To select only pixels within the tolerance range specified adjacent to the pixels that you click, check the Contiguous checkbox. If unchecked, all pixels in the layer or selection within the tolerance range specified are filled. To sample pixels in all visible layers when using the Paint Bucket tool instead of only the selected layer in the Layers panel, check the All Layers checkbox. To then apply the fill with the Paint Bucket tool using the current tool settings, place your mouse pointer over the pixels within the layer that are the color to sample and replace with your currently selected fill. Then click to apply the fill to those pixels. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.